Welcome to Hotel Imperial, Kushinagar, UP, India. Hello guys, I've just checked in the Hotel Imperial. So this is the Hotel Imperial, and the king size bed, and you can see beautiful curtain, and then chairs, and then flat TV, and many more. One more table for luggage, and you have a mirror on the wall. Very nicely clean, decorated, and the toilet as well. It's a very luxurious hotel, I think. As you can see, the bathroom, the mirror on the wall, the Western style hotel toilet. So, and then you can see the big enough let's say face wash basin, and then the bathtub here, Western style. You can take a shower, bath as you wish. So it's quite clean. I've never seen such a hotel. So this hotel is just near the Parinirvana Stupa, Kushinagar, we call UP, India. So I think it's quite impressive to see such hotels at such small town or places. Let's say it's not so small, but so it's not so very much developed, or what I can say. So, but I'm impressed. So you can have for 5,000 rupees, you can have dinner, breakfast, and you can have this luxury room for you. So it's quite impressive for me. And also you have here a cupboard to hang your clothes and jackets or garments. So very nicely, and also air conditioned. So this is the air conditioned room, as you can see up there. So what I most liked about this room is it's quite clean and really let's say luxurious. On the wall you can have small Avalokiteshvara picture. So all in all, it's fine. I can say it's thumbs up for this hotel. So you can really let's say come here and you can enjoy. I think at such places you wouldn't get at this price a good hotel. So this is the perfect choice for you if you try, and write your comments below my channel. Okay, so that's it. नमस्ते जी, बस ठीक है। तो वीडियो ले रहा हूँ, अच्छा है।
बिल्कुल सर, प्लीज।
वीडियो में डालना।
ओके सर। विद मी डालिए।
अरे क्यों नहीं यार?
प्लीज। वेलकम सर, द इंपीरियल कुशीनगर, द वेलकम।
वेलकम टू इंपीरियल होटल।
वेलकम टू या।
आपने इतना अच्छे तरीके से सजावट किया है और देखने में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
थैंक यू, आप भी अच्छे हैं।
जी जी। We have here
noodle soup.
Noodle soup. We have
vegetable tempura,
brinjal
soya sauce, veg fried rice, the glass noodles, steamed lady's finger, mixed with vegetable,
Mixed vegetable.
spinach, this garlic,
Spinach curry.
and pumpkin soya sauce,
Pumpkin curry.
and the one the mini style and the butter paneer masala.
Oh, okay. It looks something special.
Special Indian dish.
Indian dish, right?
Yeah, butter paneer masala and the with naan
Naan.
and further dessert and this is the kheer.
Oh, okay, okay.
This kheer and fruits, orange and banana,
Wow,
and tea and coffee,
wow,
green tea, hot meal.
wow. So it's a pure vegetarian today.
Yeah, pure vegetarian.
Okay, thank you. And okay, so we have seen these deliciously made Indian food, and we are enjoying as well.